This 1994 Hummer H1 is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Hummer H1 new custom black matte paint, color matched wheel, new top LED headlights, Bluetooth audio, 6.2L Detroit V8 diesel engine, automatic transmission, all-wheel drive system, black exterior, black interior. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detail. Walk around way. Hope you are next satisfied. Online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 1994 Hummer H1 is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and ample pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is not responsible for errors. We also reserve the right to withdraw, terminate any vehicle listed for sale. Thank you. Visit us at AutoGalleryChicago.com.